conversation, so I won't. Yeah.
Okay, so we want to change main bearings out on this
Is that his name?
Honda Davidson.
Honda Davidson. Okay.
So get the pinion bearing off. I take the clip off, but it doesn't want to come. Thinking there's something else in the way.
Yeah, that little gear there.
It's that little gear's in the way. So you got to pull this little gear out. Right here, this little gear. Problem is there's another big gear behind that big gear.
Yeah.
There's two gears. Somebody's got to pull this gear out. So it takes a tool.
A special tool.
This is not a Jim's tool either. It's a good tool.
Are we gonna have to retrue it after?
No. Appears to be tight. I think there's a lot of Loctite on that thing. Not supposed to Loctite.
It's not losing it.
Not supposed to Loctite those on.
I can see it.
I smell nasty oil. That's all I smell.
Oh. Yeah, you can see the goop.
Goop?
Goop schmoop.
Goop or gook?
Oh, uh-oh. You
See,
can't
look
say
what it
that
did
on
to my.
YouTube.
Look what it did to my
Son of a bitch.
tool. Because it's beating a tar on it to get
You
it
need a
out.
charge loop for that?
I swear to God.
I should, but see, I have to weld it back up and remachine it again. I've done that before. Look how much you tore up my tool.
I didn't even. What?
Should have heated it up in the press and Loctited it.
Don't worry, then that's good. Then that's not damaged.
Yeah, you should have.
You should have made the tool out of the same material as this nut.
Remake my tool again. See, the problem is I let someone borrow my tool once,
Hasn't been the same since.
and they screwed it all up because they were using a half-inch zip gun on the motor and were turning it the wrong direction.
Tighten the living shit out of her, yeah?
And they finally got the nut to come off in pieces. The only problem is my tool was slightly worse for the wear.
Slightly.
So I had to be welding up ever since fixing it. I've welded up a couple times now. I'm tearing up my tool again. Where's that pulley you're supposed to do it?
Okay. It's a Jim's tool, right? I don't know where you keep that one.
2 jaw silver, long fingers.
These, okay.
Should be right in front of you.
The big one or the small one?
Only one over there.
I see two. I'm gonna grab this small one and assume that it's the right one.
Does it look like it's been used more than once?
Probably.
Does the other one look like it's new?
The other one's like 10 times the size.
Does it look like it's brand new?
Probably.
Why?
We haven't used it.
Because we don't use it very often. So you gotta have the support tool, the crank, to support the crank. Otherwise what happens?
Nothing good.
You split the crank wide open.
Oh, really?
That might be an issue. Especially on a one-piece crank, we can't replace it. Well, this is a 2-piece, you can actually replace this.
Yeah.
Why
Oh, is it?
Appears to be tight.
There you go. Caddy want this. Holy!
I hope I got that.
What?
Beating on it.
Oh my God.
What?
That happened so fast.
I didn't expect that.
Well, there's
Can
too
we-
much tension. How many tons of pressure was on that?
I don't know. Can we? Is there a slow-mo? Slow-mo replay?
No,
No?
you're on your own. I was probably blocking of you anyway.
Wow.
It's a taper.
Yeah, I know. But
When you shock the part and the taper just gives just a little bit, it comes right off. And when you got about 3,000-4,000 pounds of pressure on, like I had on it, kind of
Just
comes off.
takes a little tap.
This won't come off. Why?
yeah, maybe because the Woodruff key's in there.
There's a Woodruff key in there.
Yeah.
Where's Mr. Woodruff's want his key at?
I don't know. It's a great key though.
Mr. Woodruff key puller. Okay, where's your new bearing?
Let me check my pockets.
This key is loose, so it pulls off. See, all of this stuff is dirty, so it's getting my bench all
I
dirty.
don't remember when I wanted to clean it and you said why.
Okay, where's my other puller?
I don't know which one you want.
Big one.
The big one. It's got stuff on it.
Somebody fucking advice.
Keep hitting the lip on it.
You're not talking about this one, right?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I did want to grab this.
Where's the other half?
I don't know. The other half. Oh, I see. Okay. Would you look at that?
What's that then?
I'm guessing it's the other half, huh?
What makes you think so?
Because it's got the thing to not split the crank in half.
It's got the same color.
Mm-hmm.
So how many different pullers are here?
2, 3, 4, probably 10.
Now, I've learned don't tie it all the way because it digs in. Makes
Yeah,
it come out.
I remember that. That was on my crank.
I do that every now and then.
Oh, every now and then. I'm glad my crank
Okay,
reminded
that's
me.
a 2-jaw bearing puller. What's this one?
A 1-jaw.
This is a brake drum puller or rear axle puller for something in the 40s.
Audis.
See how nice tools they're making back in the day? See how easy that is?
It is fancy.
You like how that looks? Of course, I modified it a little bit.
No.
I'm sure Taiwan can make just as good of a tool.
Like these custom bolts in there.
Teacher, you got oil on my pants.
Good.
My blue pants look we're matching.
They hold them.
Look at that.
Mm-mm.
Nice.
Stuck. There it goes.
You had me use the smaller one, not this big one last time, and then you yelled at me when it chunked the shaft. I did everything you said, still got yelled at.
I don't want to use this tool because you break it.
Okay. That'd be impressive if I broke this.
Okay, where's your socket? That's the one you would use. How about that one?
I like it. Jeez Louise.
Why weren't you there?
Yeah, my bad, teacher, sorry.
So you're not digging in on it. Oh, it fell off. It fell apart.
Damn 40s.
We were supposed to be using 3 of these on a brake drum or an axle. It's only for like a Dodge truck or something. I think it's universal. One thing. See, it's what you heard. Tighten up the center.
Yeah. It's a little cockeyed.
So are you.
No, why are you changing the bearing? Because he said it was good.
Go rip the hooks off the wall. We change the bearing.
Hey, so where's the third puller? Put it back on the hook.
Get a sidetrack. I need the flywheel holder. Drop the black flywheel holder.
Grab the black flywheel holder.
I don't remember which one's Evo. Which one's Evo? There's narrow one or the wide one?
One for us,
The one. This one?
yes. For us,
I don't know.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. No.
Yes, no.
Yes,
What kind of
yes.
answer is that?
Yes. It's the unsure one.
What's a yes, no? Is that the same as no, yes?
Yeah.
Don't.
That's my garbage bag.
I knew he was gonna say something.
Yep.
Because if you sold that damn chains in that box, we wouldn't have that problem.
Shouldn't use the lower box.
Is that the right one?
Yeah, probably.
You sure?
Yeah, no.
Another yes, no question?
No, sure. What I said was, yeah, sure, sir.
Yep, you got one. There's the other one. It's got dirty. I got to clean this thing off.
Allegedly.
Where's your rag? It's drinking beer in my shop.
Son of a bitch.
Beer.
See, he's drinking beer.
Yeah.
Break something.
It's like
Not
Coors.
non-alcohol.
It's like Coors.
Look, Monster looks like Coors.
It's Coors.
White Monster is brewed in the Rocky Mountains.
Tatro
Okay.
looks like a Coors bag.
Where's your new bearing?
He's a classic guy.
Teacher, if you ask me that one more time.
Where's your new bearings? Where's your old bearings?
We threw those in the trash.
We just wanted to test out how easily it came off. Now we're just going to reinstall it.
That's why
What
it's
do I
the
do?
case.
It's an important measurement.
Where's that punch?
Here. Hold this.
Oh, my hand cramps holding this thing.
Sorry.
Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. Yep. Oh yeah, we're on the case.
Which case you want me to hit? Factory tool. Pretty sure I bought this from a factory, so it's factory tool.
I didn't. That's how it works. I'll hold the case.
We just wrap it here so we film.
Here we go.
Does it fall off?
You got a rhythm. You got a rhythm. You're picking up at the end.
Didn't even hit myself yet either.
Mm-mm. Look how oily it is. Disgusting.
Because you didn't clean it.
Oh yeah.
Smells around here too.
Mm-hmm.
Look at those worn out races, see? Oh, I wiped it off.
You wiped off the wear?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Keeps the riffraff out.
Okay, I can't even clean this up yet.
I swear to God. Oh, yeah, yucky.
Now you can change out this inner part too if you want,
Yep.
but they're all the same.
Oh really?
Yeah, every one of them.
Wow. Going back to when?
And every time you take them out, what happens?
I don't know.
You screw up the groove it's in. So you just leave it alone. That's fine. Okay, clean all this up, we'll get back.
Bink.